this love I don't understand? Wake me up, yeah, reaching for your hand. Never felt something like this, never been so close. Nothing will ever be, yeah, like it was before. No, no. She's my runaway girl, made me chase her halfway around the world.
So I'm not naked. I have a tube top on, just in case you were wondering. And my nails look really bad because I tried doing them myself and they weren't dry, so now some of them look really bad because they weren't dry and I am impatient and was doing stuff. Alright, so I had to pause really quick because I could not find my concealer and I don't know where it went, so I am using the ones that I have, and I'm running really low on everything because Ulta's closed and I don't usually order makeup online unless like I've already used it and know exactly what color I use in that particular product, because I like to see the color in person. I just feel like the colors online versus when you see the colors in person can be completely different sometimes. Not all the time, but sometimes that happens, and that's why I like to buy sometimes some of my makeup in person. Unless it's like eyeshadows, because eyeshadows I feel like you can always really see the colors really well and you know basically like what you're getting. Alright, after trying to figure out what I wanted to do, I did like 3 different eye looks off camera just because I didn't know what I wanted to do. Some of the pinks I had were just really bright and I am wearing just a light Barbie pink dress, and all of the pinks I had did not look similar to the dress at all. So I'm just gonna do something neutral. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the Carly Bible palette again, digging into the color Chai, and I'm gonna put that on my crease. I'm now gonna go ahead and dig into the color Sydney, and I'm using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush in JH33, and I'm not gonna put a whole lot. I don't want a lot of this color. I just want to put a little bit of this color in the corner. So now I'm gonna go in with the Modern Renaissance palette, and I am going to use the color Golden Orchid, and I'm also gonna mix a little bit of Tempera, and I'm gonna put that just on the center of my lid and just pat that in. I'm gonna use the JH40 brush, and I'm gonna use this color right here for the inner corner. Then with a smaller brush, this doesn't have a name on it, I think it's just one of the brushes I got from Amazon. I'm gonna use this color right here, Cypress Umber. I don't know if I said that right. And I'm gonna use this to do like a tiny wing. Not really a wing, but use it more as a liner. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just pop these lashes on. So these lashes are the Ardell Mink lashes. Alright, well I can't find the number on this one, but this is what the box looks like. I popped both of my lashes on, and I'm just gonna wait for the glue to dry and add some mascara on top. I really want glowy, dewy skin, so I'm gonna use both of these. I'm gonna use this MAC Prep and Prime primer in Natural Radiance. And I'm gonna use, this isn't really a primer, it's like a highlighter from NYX. It's Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in the color Sunbeam. And I'm gonna prime basically my whole face, but I'm only gonna put this in certain areas. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Cover FX drops just in certain areas of my skin before I put on the foundation. So this Cover FX drops is in the color Celestial, and I'm just gonna add this to where I put highlighter on. And that's basically all where I'm gonna use the drops on. So for foundation today, I'm gonna use the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation in 3. And I think this is my color, but last time I thought my foundation was my color and I was a little bit off my last makeup tutorial, but I'm not sure. I feel like it's close enough though. As long as it's close, because I'm not perfect at color matching my foundation to my tan skin. I really like those illuminating drops right before foundation. So I really want bright under eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Prolongwear Concealer in the color Porcelain. If I have any, I am running out of everything. This year for my birthday, well, usually what I like to do on my birthday is I like to just go out to eat with like my family, and that's basically it. I don't really do anything for my birthday besides go out and eat, like get ready and go out and eat. I love going to Olive Garden for my birthday because I love their tiramisu. It is my absolute favorite. I like tiramisu more than I like cake. It is so good. Really all I like to do, I just like to go to Olive Garden for my birthday because of everything going on. Obviously we can't go, so maybe I'll just order some takeout. I don't even know if they're doing takeout. I think they are, but I'm not sure. For my 21st birthday, I had the flu, and I had made plans with my friends to go eat and then go to the club, but I had the flu, so because of that I didn't want to cancel on them because I really wanted to go, and then I had the worst fever ever, so somehow I managed to pull myself together and get ready, and we ended up meeting them at a restaurant, and I had an appetizer. I had like mac and cheese was one of the appetizers, and I had that because I couldn't even really hold anything down, but I felt bad because my friends were all there for me, so I had the appetizer and sat there with like the worst fever, headache, just shaking because I don't know if it was the flu or a cold, like a really bad cold. I'm not really sure exactly what it was, but I sat there and I was just waiting for them to finish eating so I could head out and go home and just lay in bed and go to sleep because I was just not feeling good. I don't even think I slept that night because I was just feeling horrible. And then last year for my 22nd birthday, I don't even remember what I did. I probably just went out to eat. I'm using the Maybelline concealer in the color Cafe. Alright, I'm using the Jaclyn Hill 04 brush. In case you guys are wondering why I keep looking to the side, it's because I have my mirror on this side and then I have my monitor on this side. So yeah, that's why I keep looking to the side. I'm trying really hard not to mess up my hair right now. I did all of it, but I'm probably gonna have to go back and just redo it, especially where these clips are in, because these clips kind of leave like an indent in my hair sometimes when I leave them on too long. So I know I'm probably for sure gonna have to go back and just do the front pieces. I'm using the Airspun powder. I'm using the color Translucent. And I'm gonna leave this powder on for a little bit because I really do want my under eyes to be really, really bright. Well, usually I don't use flash for my pictures, but because it's getting a little late, I just hope this powder doesn't have flash back in case I do need to use the flash for my pictures. So I'm gonna use this beauty blender, and actually this isn't a beauty blender, this is a Real Techniques, and just pounds in the product down here on my chin. and I just did it on my forehead. So while my under eyes are baking and my nose, I'm gonna go ahead and use some bronzer. I'm gonna use the Hoola bronzer. I really like to put bronzer underneath my nose because it gives it like a little bit of a lift. So I'm going to use my sponge again and I'm going to pat in the product. I'm going to be using this Maybelline brush. It's in the color Wine. So I'm going to use this Bare Minerals Celestial Glow palette, and I'm going to go ahead and use this color on the end. I believe this one is Pink Moonstone because I just want a little bit of glow on my cheeks. And it gives such a natural glow. I'm going to just set my face. I'm going to go ahead and just sharpen up my contour. A trick I like to do when I sharpen up my contour is I'll grab a brush and grab this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color Caramel, and I'll go ahead and just bring back that color to my face. Alright, so I'm going to use this Hyper Real Glow by MAC. I'm going to use this color right here. I don't see a name on the back, so I don't know what color this is, but this is the one I'm using. Going back in with the Maybelline blush. So I'm going to use this lip liner by Kylie in the color Ice Latte. My camera was dying, so I had to let it charge a little bit, but I added some eyeshadow underneath. I added Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange, these two just underneath, and then I added mascara as well. For mascara, I used the Total Colossal Mascara by Maybelline in the color, it's brown, it's like the dark brown. I can't really read, it's really small. It's the dark brown color. I'm gonna use this Kylie lipstick in the color Bear. See if I like it, I'm not sure. So the last thing I did was I added the Too Faced Sweet Peach lip gloss in Papa Don't Peach, and I just added that to the center of my lips. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!